Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I will be doing a tutorial on how to do spring twist. Alright, so I'm also using some reused hair. I've used this hair a couple of times, like 3 or 4 times. Okay, and it still looks good, you know. All I do is just wash it with shampoo and conditioner. And then I would put some type of leave-in conditioner in it. And that's it. Okay, so now I have 4 small ponytails already. I've already did this side and the back. Okay, so I have 4 left to go, which is good. Okay. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do a bun with this hairstyle. Okay, so about to get started. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so you're going to put spring twist hair on top of your ponytail. So your natural hair in the middle, twist under your ponytail, and you're going to begin braiding. That's it. Alright, so you're also going to separate your spring twist hair in 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hold on, let me see. See, 1, 2, and 3. All right. All right, so you're going to braid a little bit, and then you're going to twist all the way down. yeah, so now I'm done. I'm about to put this spray in my hair. Hope you guys can see that. Alright. And then I'm going to show you guys how I put my bun. guys, so this is the finished look. Okay, so let me show you guys my hair right quick. It was very simple, easy to do. I think that it only took this hairstyle, the bun, about 5 minutes to do. So it was very fast. Okay, so let me show you guys a closer look. Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys let me know what other hairstyles you want to see me do. Hopefully I can do them for you, but it all depends. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of y'all. Alright, so may God bless y'all. Love y'all. Peace out.